Hi, we're going to have a look at how you add the online booking facility, the VirtuBook, onto your website. We've basically got three choices. We have the Simple Book panel, we have the online booking button which gives you a popover, and we have the 3D QuickBook version which allows your customers to actually choose the table that they want to sit at. We start off by signing into your account at the top there, and here you see the menu system, the online booking code. We're going to start off with Simple Book. Let's have a quick look at that. And you can select the colour of your panel. We're going to choose yellow, and the background green, and the colour of the type, let's have purple. You then choose how wide you actually want that panel to suit your website. It can be from anywhere between 502 pixels right up to 729 pixels. You then click the copy code button, and you can paste that into an email which you can send off to your web designer who looks after your website, or if you do it yourself you can just paste that in the place where you want the panel to appear. Next we have the popover, and it's the same procedure again, except because we're just dealing with just a simple button, we just copy two pieces of code and add them in. The first one is where you want the button to appear, and the second one needs to go down the bottom somewhere, but I'm going to show you where to put that in. What we've done is set up a WordPress restaurant website for us to put this into, for you to have a look. And in WordPress, unless you choose which items you want down the sidebar, these are the standard ones you get. But what we're going to do is we're going to replace that with that popover button. If you go to your dashboard and click on Appearance and then on Widgets, and here you've got that sidebar, and as you can see it's empty, so that's why we have the standard set. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this item, the text item, arbitrary text or HTML, and we're just going to drag and drop that into our sidebar. Okay. And then we can put a title in, but we don't want a title, we just want the button, so we're going to put the piece of text in there. So if we now click the copy code for the first bit, and then we paste it in there and just press save, and that's the first bit done. If you now go to your editor, and what you need to select is the footer, so you want it to go right at the bottom underneath. Click at the bottom, click just past that point there. If we now go back to here, we pick up the bottom piece of JavaScript code, click copy, and we paste that in place there, and update the file. We now go back to our WordPress site, do a refresh, and those items have disappeared. Our online button has appeared. Click that, nice popover. Right. The other option that we have is the QuickBook, which is the 3D booking engine where your customers can choose the table they'd like to sit at. So first of all we need to select which size, the width that we want the panel to be. I'm going to leave it at 512, and we're just going to click copy code there, because we're going to put that onto our WordPress site. I think what I'll do is I'll put it underneath our main piece of text here. Go back to our dashboard, and we're going to need to put it at the bottom of our post, which is there. So if we edit that, okay, now this is very important. You've got two modes here. You've got the visual and the HTML mode. Because we're putting HTML in, you need to make sure you've got the HTML tab clicked, and just click at the bottom, which is where we want it to go, and click paste. Okay. having done that, let's update. If we now go back to our WordPress site and refresh it, down the bottom there we have QuickBooks.